Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you 10 basic chart tips in Excel. After going through these 10 charting tips, you will be faster and more efficient than ever before. So yeah, let's go. The first one is press Alt F1 to quickly make a chart. So click anywhere inside the data below, press Alt and F1. Excel will create a simple charts for you. On the chart design and the chart type, you can change the chart design into the line, bars, whatever you do want. Next, select specific columns before creating chart. Now, select salesperson down to the Sally. Press and hold Ctrl and drag to select commission down to the $10. Now press Alt F1. See, Excel create a chart based on the salesperson and commission columns. It excludes the sales data from the table. Next, use a table with a chart. Click inside the data, go to the Insert tab and select Table. Now press OK. In the cell F13, type March and then press Enter. The table automatically expands to include the new column. Type some numbers like 600, 1200, 500 for each salesperson in the March column. Notice the chart legend now has an entry for March as well as the bars. That's advantage of using the table with the chart. Any new columns or rows will be reflected in the chart automatically. Next, quickly filter data from the chart. Let's say you don't want this chart include Tesla's data. Click the chart below and then click the filters button right to the chart and uncheck the Tesla. Then click apply. Here you go. The chart now excludes the Tesla data. Next, use pivot charts when your data is not summarized. In the table below, apples and oranges are repeated in several rows. This is called unsummarized data. Pivot charts can handle unsummarized data. Click inside the data below, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Click Existing Worksheet and select the location here E13 and click OK. The pivot chart fields pane, click on the product and amount checkbox. The pivot chart summarize the data for you. Apples and oranges are now summarized. Next, create multi-level labels. Let's say in this chart you need another level for the labels as the bottom, like fruits and vegetables. In the cell G14, type fruits and G17, type vegetables. Now select the chart, go to the chart design and select data. Now you will select the complete table range from department to end. Press OK. Now the chart has another level of labels like fruit and vegetables. Next, use a secondary axis to create a combo chart. Let's say the chart has two data series, sales and profit percentage, but we need profit percentage to be represented by a horizontal line on the chart, not a column. Select the chart and then go to the Design tab, change chart type, select combo. Make sure the profit percentage must be with line and other with the check-in box. Press OK. The profit percentage will be plotted with the line. Now you can compare two series. Next, hook up a chart title to a cell. Let's say the chart name is chart title. That's not very helpful. So let's change that. Click to the chart title, type is equal to, then select the cell G12 and press enter. Now the chart title is changed to the week 1. The chart title will always shows what in the green cells. Try it to be typing something else like sales. Now see the chart title is changed with the sales name. Next, split off slices into a second pie. We need to make a pie of pie chart where kiwis, grapes and pears are split off into their own pie. So click the chart and then go to the chart design and change chart type. Select pie of pie, enter OK. We did not done yet. Right click on the smaller chart and go to the format data series. Now into the split series by, choose value option and here you will need to punch 1000. When you press enter, the kiwis, grapes and pears are split off into their own pie because each of their amounts is less than 1000. Next, hover over chart elements to get preview. So with just one button right on the chart, you can add access titles, chart title, data labels, error bars, legends, and many more. So here are the 10 basic most important tips for the chart. Hopefully this video and this tutorial will guide you more. Please like and subscribe this channel to find out the more exclusive videos.